All right, this is the WORKPROX 20V cordless pole extension hedge trimmer with a 9-foot reach, a little over 9 foot. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Inside the package, you're going to get the main section here with the blade cover. You get the extension pole section right here that extends out. Flip this little switch, pull it out, it retracts, and it's spring loaded. Hold it into place, lock it down wherever you want it, undo it, snaps back into place. You get a shoulder strap that attaches onto the aluminum extension pole section if you want to use that. You may want to use something when you get this thing way up high in the air because the weighted section is on the end, so you might want to use it, you might not. About a 3-foot Type-C charging cable right here. And the battery itself, because this is a rechargeable device. The hedge trimmer is powered by a 2.0 ampere hour battery. It can get you about up to 40 minutes of runtime. And under this silicone cover right here, the battery itself also functions as a portable power bank. Right here, you got a Type-C in and out and a USB-A out. On the front, it has a battery display. I like the battery display part. You can easily just check the power level here by pressing the button. It tells you what it's at. When I got it, the battery was charged to 76%, and I was able to charge it up to 100% using your typical 5-volt, 2.4 amp charger in a relatively short period of time, maybe 15 minutes or so. The unit itself is relatively lightweight. It's made from hard plastic and metal right here, and it weighs in at about 6 pounds, this section. It has a second lightweight detachable aluminum section with the extension pole on it. And the closed position right here, the full length of this is about 36 inches long overall. And the blade section itself is around 18 inches of working area. The pole section is about 52 inches long, and it's easy for me to break down and store in my shed or basement or even a closet area. The hedge trimmer has a dual spring-loaded lock on it for safety, so if you're using it left-handed or right-handed, you just press this down and activate it using the trigger. I like that it has a whole hand trigger right here. It makes it more just like ergonomically comfortable for me anyway, so it's easy to activate. On the blade side of it, it is adjustable to 11 different positions. You just press this button down and lock it into place wherever you want it. So there are tons of options as far as angles and reach go, and it's super easy to connect the two sections. You just line them up, and this thing screws into position. Once you've got it lined up and screwed together, the battery just inserts on the bottom of the unit right here, and this simply locks into place. Let me give you an idea how loud this thing is. Pretty awesome. When you're done, just pull the battery out, unscrew it, separate the two sections, put the cover back on, and you're ready to store it away. Feels pretty sharp. The cutting section has these dual blades on it that move in kind of a back and forth scissor motion. And they say it can handle branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick. So there you go, a 20-volt rechargeable cordless pole extension hedge trimmer. It would be great for hedges, obviously, tall bushes, shrubs, cedars, and more. Very nice.